Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on Gamee Telegram mining. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do want to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cards built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. The link to the Telegram bot will be dropped in the description box below. So when you click on the link, here is what you need to do. You need to click on start. When you click on start, congratulations, you just received 1,000 tickets. Click on mine. You can earn tickets by spinning and inviting friends. Then you can use the tickets to increase your mining capacity. So what you need to do is click on start mining. So here's how it works. Invite friends and get 10 plus 10 WP per hour per users. Your per hour is 2.5 right now, but if you invite friends and they are active, you get extra 10 for each friend you invite. So your mining capacity, for each friend you invite, you'll be given 1,000 tickets, and you can use those tickets to upgrade your mining capacity. Here is it. Upgrade your mining cap. Click on it. Upgrade with 250 tickets. You can choose to upgrade. As you get more tickets, you can choose to upgrade. You can get more work points by staking Gamee. You can also join their community here, and if you need more tickets, do what to invite your friends. On the end platform, you can seek some tasks to do. You can play 20 games. You can join their channel to get tickets. You can perform all these tasks to get tickets to increase your mining capacity here. So on the spin part, you can spin to earn real prize, or you can get tickets. You either get real prize or tickets like dollar, USDT. So we got 0.25 USDT. About the watt drop, it shows your balance. So you have 0 WP watt protocol at the moment. About the wallet, you see your balance. So your balance in USDT, you can only withdraw it when it gets to $10. Let's go back to the mine interface, the earn interface. So you can play games here. There are a lot of games you can play. Play 20 game plays. Click on it. You find a lot of games here you can play. There's a lot of games here. So you can see there are so many of them. So guys, that's all about Gamee. All you need to do on the mine platform is that you will need to calculate your mining capacity and your WP per hour to know when your mining stops. When it stops, you just come here to click on restart mining. So that's all about Gamee mining platform. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the description box, as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching guys. See you in our next video.